So I have modified the Wyze sensor. This is the door sensor, the magnetic sensor. And I can't take credit for this. I saw another YouTube viewer. I'll put his link in my description. But out of curiosity, I wondered if their circuit inside here was very similar to this water level detector that I have. And all it is telling me the moisture in this plant. When I lift this wire out, you'll see that it turns off. So if it was dry, there'd be no green light. So the green light means there's enough moisture in that plant. So I did the same thing with this Wyze sensor, removed the magnetic switch, replaced it with a couple of leads, and now, right now it's reading as dry. Now I'm going to pop it in, and there's the alert to say it's good or closed. And now when it dries up, it'll tell me it needs water. So that's the Wyze sensor mod.